you know? The flowers came. Still have a few here and there. And then they fade. And then the fruit sets. You know, it doesn't look like anything's happening, but simple words can pollinate. And it takes time for it to grow and produce fruit. And I pray that the great harvest occurs, realizing we can't depend on man, but only God. And everything that's happening is by His mighty hand. There's nothing they can do without permission first for God's will to be done. And I can tell you, I have never seen so many strawberries coming on. Look at this. That's one little plant. I pray it's a sign of things to come. Because, you know, doubting Thomas even had to have a sign. And it reminds me, before Lazarus arose, Jesus wept. Not because Lazarus couldn't arise, but because of their unbelief. Because what God ordains will come to pass.